Dealerships make money when your car breaks. This channel shows you how to stop that. If your transmission shifts hard, overheats, or hesitates, you could already be doing damage to your transmission. Ever notice when the high-speed fans come on, you hear a big roaring sound under your hood? Well, that's your car trying to cool off. That's an indication your car is running pretty hot, and that can be thinning out your transmission fluid, creating problems with your shifting. Once that fluid thins out when it gets extremely hot, you'll notice the delayed shifts. That's an indication it's definitely time to take action. This could be happening from neglected transmission maintenance by not servicing the transmission. All different transmissions have different ways of service. Some have just fluid you change. Some you clean a magnet inside the drain plug. Others you have a transmission pan that comes down with a filter and you change the filter. Some, when you do that, you want to change the gasket, the filter, clean the magnets, and then put it back up with fresh fluid. And most of the transmissions, you can't change all the fluid, so you only change about half every time you take the pan down. So there's all different ways and all different transmissions that need to be catered to accordingly, depending on the transmission you have. If you want your car to last longer, definitely subscribe now, because I want to give you a lot of tips on protecting your vehicles. One of the solutions to your transmission hesitation is transmission fluid change interval. Depending on the transmission you have, it should be changed anywhere from 20 to 60,000 miles in most driving conditions. You say, what makes the difference? City driving versus highway. When you're doing all this city driving, you get that extra heat that goes into the clutch packs and all the materials, and those little materials end up in the filter, and that can eventually clog the filter. So your hesitation may not be actual damage, but it's just that these little teeny particles are inside your transmission filter. It's not flowing quite as good as it could be. So this is one solution. One of the solutions to getting your transmission to run better is using a higher quality transmission fluid, and I'm here to help you with that. What that's going to do is it's going to allow the film strength between metal to be stronger, less heat, less friction, smoother running operating transmission. Something very simple you can do today. I choose AMSOIL because of the film strength, the extra protection. As you'll notice when you look at some of the packaging in the bottles, it actually shows you're good for up to double the severe service interval than an OEM style fluid. So pretty much for that fluid to last twice as long, it has to be about 4 times better at oxidation resistance. What do you say? What is that? Basically every 18 degrees hotter a lubricant runs, it oxidizes at twice the rate. And so as it oxidizes, it's a chemical change actually happening where these little teeny carbon particles start to attach, which they call the carbon backbone. And that actually thickens the transmission fluid, and it actually changes its properties, the friction modifiers. So you say, man, why doesn't my car coast the way it used to? Why does it clunk when it goes in the drive? These are all degradation things where everything's starting to break down, degrade. And what can you do right away? Change that fluid to AMSOIL ATF fluid, AMSOIL CVT fluid, AMSOIL dual clutch transmission fluid, AMSOIL transaxle fluid. They make it for basically 95% of every transmission. AMSOIL makes that fluid too, and you can order it on my website, syntheticoilprotection.net. If you ever have any questions with the products, you can always reach out to me. I'm a person you can actually call. My phone number is 702-472-3614. Happy to assist on any of those different transmissions. Why I choose AMSOIL products is because it's made in Superior, Wisconsin, blended and packaged. You get it shipped right to you at a very good value. So basically people go, well, AMSOIL, isn't that stuff expensive? Well, it's actually a little bit more upfront, but for how much it saves your components, your transmissions, how it saves you in fuel economy. It's actually a huge savings to where you actually don't even really pay for the more expensive fluid. There's a lot of people that get caught up in the upfront price, and it's like, well, what's the cost of ownership of a vehicle? It's not so much how much does a vehicle cost brand new, it's what's the ownership over years. And so what AMSOIL allows you to do is get that ownership so far down to basically you're driving your car for free, and you're able to save so much money. By the time you're ready to buy a new car, you'll already have that in cash. You wouldn't even have to finance the car. So it can easily get your car to last 2 to 4 times longer by staying on top of it and using all these higher quality lubricants. So when it comes to the entire oil change package, as a preferred customer where you get the best value, the difference from the oil you're buying right now could be $5 to $10 more. That's about it. But a lot of people talk about it being very expensive. And the only reason they would do that is if they're talking about buying it retail on the shelf at like a speed shop where they mark it up because that business has to make money. And I would never want to discourage you from buying it there and supporting a local business. I highly recommend that. But I also want to make sure you're aware of a wholesale option that you have as the preferred customer. And that way, when you order the products, I would always be able to help you with those products, given you would order it on my website, syntheticoilprotection.net. So back to the transmission problems. Another solution is cooling upgrades. We have all different types of oil coolers depending on your vehicle. That can really extend the life, the service interval of that fluid. So if you're looking to save a lot of money, that's one thing I highly recommend checking into immediately, is a really high quality transmission fluid cooler that can be added to your existing vehicle. All right, another thing that can help with your transmission is early diagnosis. Basically, you're just paying attention to these symptoms that are starting to come about on your vehicle. This kind of clunky, cold performance. That means the oil's degraded, or whatever they say. And basically it's thickening in the cold. All those modifiers are breaking down and it's really damaging your transmission. So if you're having this kind of clunkiness when your vehicle's cool, and when I say cold, it could be even 72 degrees out Fahrenheit, that can already be clunky. And that's the actual modifiers are already losing their life, losing their ability to keep the lubricants flowing. Your vehicle can last significantly longer than you expect if you take care of it and use the right products. It's kind of like your body. If you put the right things in, it can tremendously transform your performance, your lifespan, all these different things. But with your car, it's not, you could say, as tricky, because working out and exercise, it takes a lot of time. Servicing your car, you're going to do it anyways by putting a higher quality lubricant in, like the AMSOIL products. It's something that you can easily do. You can always buy the products and give it to your transmission expert and have them put it in for you. And you can watch them put it in. Just say, hey, can I watch you put it in? Make sure it gets done correctly, which we have a lot of videos here in the channel where we show that process of doing it on all the different types of vehicles. So no matter what car you have, we actually have a video right here on the channel. It'll help you with your specific car. My name's Eben. I'm here to help, so definitely subscribe, reach out to me, leave a comment down below. Be happy to get back to you on your specific application. What's the next thing? Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection.